Installing a VPN directly on a T-Mobile router is often difficult due to locked firmware, prioritizing stability and security over user customization. T-Mobile routers lack native VPN support, disabling root access, SSH, and custom installations. While rooting the router to flash custom firmware like OpenWRT is a workaround, it carries significant risks. These risks include bricking the device, voiding warranties, and potential security vulnerabilities. T-Mobile has also issued updates to patch exploits used to root the device, making it increasingly difficult, but not impossible. Since installing a VPN directly on a T-Mobile router is challenging, consider these alternatives. Option 1. Use a separate VPN-capable router behind the T-Mobile gateway, configuring the T-Mobile router in bridge mode. Option 2. Install VPN apps on individual devices like smartphones and laptops. Option 3. Explore cloud-based services like Tailscale or Zero-Tier, which create virtual networks without modifying the router. These alternatives are generally safer and easier to implement, providing enhanced privacy and security without the risks associated with rooting your T-Mobile router.